fastest way to promote your NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote your NFTs in this video. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So as you can see, we're on Twitter right now and we're going to be promoting our NFT through Twitter. So for those of you who don't know, Twitter is the largest community where you can find the NFT fandom or the community of NFTs. Like, it's the only place where they basically communicate with each other. There are other platforms like Instagram or TikTok, but the influence of NFTs aren't as big as it is on Twitter. So that's why everyone uses Twitter to promote their NFTs. So we're going to be doing the exact same thing. So if I come over here into the search bar, I search for NFTs, right? If I come over here, the top results are going to be shown over here. Let me just wait a couple of seconds. So as you can see, these are all NFTs, right? They're all pretty famous people and they're really, really good as well. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be, promoting, we're going to be, increasing our followings. So to do that, the simplest method is to go over to these big NFT clubs, right? Go over to these big NFT users, right? They're the communities, and start following people, start, interacting with them, liking their post, commenting under them, tweeting them, and, retweeting them. That's basically the easiest and most simplest way to do that. But it takes quite a lot of time. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using a tool that I found online, and that is going to help us to do all of that. So we don't have to, do all of that manually, which will take quite a lot of time. What you can do is you can just run that simple program in the background and it will do everything for you. So this is the website, right? This is the software that I'm going to be using. This is the program. This is called the PE lock, right? The P lock. So what it basically does, it's basically a software protection type of deal, and it provides a lot of different, benefits and stuff like that. So over here at the top, we have some products, we have cars, fees, and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on products. Over here, we can see we have a lot of different products. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to the social media bot. All right. It's basically a clicker for social media. What we're going to do is, as we can see over here, this is how it will look like. These are all the social media platforms that it supports, that it works on. So we have LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Getter, and SoundCloud. So we can use all of these. We can start promoting our NFTs or build our community over this by using this PE law. And it's one of the best ones out there that I've found. Other ones just didn't work. In this one, as you can see, it's not dedicated for just one site. It can work on multiple sites, whereas others, they just work on just simple one side, so which I think is pretty weird. Now over here, they're basically giving a tutorial how it works, and over here, as you can see, we have the browser supported. We just simply choose the browser we want, and then it'll download the extension for it, and we can start using it. So for now, we are using Chrome, so we're gonna go ahead and download the extension for Chrome. And as you can see over here, this is the Chrome browser that we're going to be downloading that. We've already downloaded it, but what we're going to do is we're going to find the link to this, PE lock, this clicker, this social media bot, and we're going to install it. So over here, we have tutorials, we have screenshots, we have install. So if you want, you can go ahead and watch these tutorials, but you don't have to because you're watching this video. So let's go ahead and click on install, and it will click on Google Chrome, and it will take us to Chrome extensions place, where we can download the extension. As you can see, social media bot, auto clicker. So we're going to go ahead and add it to our extensions list. Wait a couple of seconds for it to be downloaded. And as you can see, it's downloaded right here. I'm just simply going to go ahead and pin it so that I can actually see it. So if I click on this bot, as you can see, this is how it will look like. So right now we have Twitter, we have TikTok, SoundCloud, LinkedIn, Getter. We have likes, unlikes, follows, unfollows, and stuff like that. Then we have max clicks per session. What that means is it will make 240 or 250 clicks within that time frame, and once it's made all of those 250 clicks, it's going to shut down or take a break. Now you can change all of these settings by clicking on the option button. So if I click on the option button over here, as you can see, this is basically an activation key. If you want to go ahead and try it, you can go ahead and get stuff like that. If it works for you, if you feel like it, you can go ahead and buy it. But for now, I'm just simply going to use it to show you how it looks like. So over here, this is the configuration that custom breaks after bot hits max. All right, so what it means is, okay, if you're on Twitter, if you start following a bunch of people quickly, the algorithm recognizes you and it bans you. It doesn't ban you permanently, it soft bans you. Now what that basically means is that you won't be able to, use Twitter for at least 24 hours, and after that you can just log in and that's it. You can never be, permanently banned by using a bot on Twitter. That's just it. If you still want to, not get soft banned, then leave these settings as they are. So as you can see over here, we have likes, we have 15, we have minutes, all right, we have 30 minutes, 45 minutes, like these are like some of the intervals. And then we have unlikes, and we can even change continue with older post and reload the page's new post, whatever we want. Repost settings, retweet settings, unretweet, follow, unfollow, and stuff like that. So we can go ahead and choose that. And we can also add, specific people that we don't want to follow and specific people that we don't want to unfollow. So we can do all of that. So these were the settings for Twitter. And you also have settings for TikTok as well, for SoundCloud, LinkedIn, and this Getter as well. But since LinkedIn and SoundCloud, on them NFTs, the NFT community is not really big over there, so we're not going to be bothering it. We're going to be using Twitter for now, and that is basically it. And once everything is set, you just have to click on save options, and once the options are saved, you just go over to Twitter, and let's just say we're go over to the board API. Okay, we're gonna go over here, and once we do that, we're gonna go over to over to the followers list where all of these people are following Bored Apes. So we're gonna click on the bot. As you can see, it automatically selects Twitter when it detects it, so you don't have to worry about it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on follow. That was the manual way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose the timer right here. We click on timer, social media bot. It's asking me to actually buy it, so let's just go ahead and click on likes over here. Let me just change it to like 10. All right, and click on like, and it should be working as of right now. I don't understand. Okay, so over here, as you can see, it's currently working right now. What it's doing is it's finding all these different types of videos and it's liking them. This is basically how it works, right? You're gonna go ahead and find these NFT creators and you're gonna start the timer, and that's basically it. Right now I have the timer set for like 8 likes, and that's basically it. That's how it is. So once after 8 likes, the timer is going to sleep for like 10 hours or 10 minutes, whatever it is, right? And that's basically it. So that's basically it. This is how it works. And the same thing goes with follows and retweets. All right, so keep in mind that if you fasten the likes don't matter, because you can like as fast as you can and Twitter won't detect you as a bot. But if you start following a lot of people really quickly, then they will detect you as a bot and then they will soft ban you. So be careful about that. And the same thing we can do on TikTok as well. So if we're on TikTok as well, like just how we did over here, like these likes, we can do that on TikTok as well. So let's go ahead and search for NFTs, right? We're gonna go over to hashtags. Let's go hashtag NFTs videos. If you choose videos, we have to log in. So basically these are all the accounts, and what we're gonna do is once we click on it, we just open up the bot, or it detects we're on TikTok, and we start liking it. The NFT community on TikTok is not that very well known, but it is still growing, so you can go ahead and be a pioneer or something. So keep in mind that this is a very helpful tip from me to you guys, and slowly you're gonna start to build up your reputation. You're gonna start following a lot of people, you're gonna gain a lot of interactions on Twitter, and you can start earning a lot of fan following and start growing your community. And that is how you basically promote your NFT page as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.